Mary I of England, often called Bloody Mary, is one of history's most controversial monarchs. Her reign was brief, but her legacy endures in infamy. In this video, we'll explore her rise to power, her religious zeal, and the events that shaped her reign. Born in 1516, Mary was the daughter of King Henry VIII and his first wife, Catherine of Aragon. Raised as a Catholic, Mary's world was turned upside down when her father's desire for a male heir led to the English Reformation and his separation from the Catholic Church. After the death of Henry VIII, Mary's Protestant half-brother, Edward VI, took the throne. As Edward's health deteriorated, a power struggle emerged, culminating in the brief reign of Lady Jane Grey. Mary, however, would not be denied her rightful place. Once on the throne, Mary sought to restore Catholicism to England, reversing her father's religious reforms. Her marriage to Philip II of Spain and her persecution of Protestants earned her the nickname Bloody Mary. Between 1555 and 1558, nearly 300 Protestants were executed, including prominent figures such as Archbishop Cranmer. Mary's marriage to Philip of Spain was intended to secure England's Catholic future, but it was deeply unpopular among her subjects. The union also entangled England in Spain's wars, leading to the loss of Calais, the last English stronghold in France. Despite her efforts, Mary's reign was fraught with challenges. She suffered multiple false pregnancies, and her health began to fail. Her policies were widely unpopular, and her death in 1558 paved the way for her Protestant half-sister, Elizabeth I, to take the throne. Though history remembers her as Bloody Mary, some historians argue that her actions were not so different from other monarchs of her time. Her legacy remains divisive. Was she a tyrant or a victim of circumstance? MaryI's reign was marked by tragedy, ambition, and an unwavering dedication to her faith. Her story remains a vital chapter in England's tumultuous history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more historical content. Let us know in the comments your thoughts on Mary I, heroine or villain.